Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a little appetizer with you, and basically they are little ham roll-ups and very easy to do. I use the pickled asparagus, and I purchased all of these in Costco. So if you have a Costco, Kirkland ham slices, Philadelphia cream cheese. So 3 ingredients, very, very simple. And I'll just show you quickly how to do them. So spread cream cheese over top of your ham slices, like so. Add your pickled asparagus slice. Roll them up into a little roll, like so. And take the next one and do the same. You can use 1 or 2 slices if you want. Generally, if they're the thicker ones, you just need 1. And next, you're going to just slice them up. And these are great little appetizers when you're having a lot of people over, or maybe like for today, it's just going to be my husband and I. So I'm just going to make them as part of our lunch. And having potato salad to go along with this for my lunch, and not quite sure what else we'll be having, but this is basically what they look like. So try them, let me know in the comments if this is something that you would like to try, and if you try it, let me know what you think. And give a little comment, a little like, share, hit subscribe. And there you go. Thanks for watching.